Okay, let's look at the installation of this crankshaft in the engine here. Rod up out of the way here. And just kind of set it in. And then what I'm going to do is rotate. Let's see if I can see this for you guys here. Just going to rotate this back bearing. And I kind of got a rough idea. I'm taking a little bit of weight off of it, holding the flywheel. And I'm just going to rotate it. Oh, and you heard it kind of clunk there. So that's that one in. And then we're just going to come down to this one. And we're going to do the exact same thing on this one on the front. And I'll be quiet and see if we can hear it. So I'm just going to position it in the middle. And then rotate it. Oh, there's the nub right there, so I got to go back about half a turn and there we go. You heard that one click in, so now it's free. All right, so if I hold these two rods up, and it turns nice and free. So you know that you're down in your dowels, so that's one thing you got to pay attention to. This is not a finished fit. I still got the center bearing to put in, but I'm just putting it back together to do another clearance measurement on the bottom end with the rods up against the cam towers.